Today we're test driving the 2014 Scion TC. It's been completely redesigned for the 2014 year. And I gotta tell you, it's a pretty fun little car. It has a 2.5 liter inline 4 engine made by Toyota. And the Toyota quality of the motor is really pretty much bulletproof. The transmission is a 6-speed automatic. And it has a rev matching technology so that when you downshift, like right now, it actually speeds up the engine before the automatic puts it into gear. And that does two things. Number one, it means that you get a nice smooth downshift. But more importantly, in the long term, it means that your transmission takes less wear and tear with your shifts. And it's kind of fun because you can kind of pretend like you're driving a manual transmission and that you're a really good driver, even if you're not so great. Here, coming to the turn, downshift, take the turn, gives me a little bit of a kick, pop it back up into the third gear. It's not an overpowered car, but it has substantial power, 179 horsepower, and a little bit less torque. About 170 foot-pounds of torque. But I'll tell you what, it's quite adequate for the little car. And I think it gives you a good balance between performance and gas mileage.